Hey everybody, One Empire here. Today I've got a Future Motion replacement sure stance foot pad for the OneWheel. I'm putting it on the OneWheel Plus. This is kind of an unboxing and an overview of kind of what I'm just doing and what failed. If you see my previous videos, I ran through a torrential downpour, which I've done before, but it didn't come back from this one. Here we have some instructions. If you haven't seen YouTube videos, we don't need those. Let's get out of here. Next, we've got the hardware kit that's got a bunch of screws that you might need if yours are getting old or vibrating. There's an Allen wrench in there, and then a special tool to remove the connector for the foot pad, and possibly other connectors too. I was actually able to use my hands without needing it, but if you have dexterity issues, it works pretty well. So here's the tail version. I'm not going to put that on because I might try and sell it. Let me know if you're interested. Here's what we need. This is the foot pad with the sensor, obviously, upgraded. If you see there, it's all yellow. Kind of hard to see in the plastic, but here's an overview of what my board's current condition is. I'm going to get some side kicks or whatever those rail guards are called from Craft and Ride, and some float plates too. But you can see here, this is kind of where the damaged area is. I'll show you that later. Have some grip tape coming up, and the tail section's not looking too great either, but I'm planning on replacing with a cush pad or something. That's why I'm not putting the Future Motion one on. So we'll just ride with it as is, because that's, you know, you can see that exposed hardware there where the screw goes into, but I don't think it's a huge deal at this point. So we're gonna fast forward to having the pad removed. So if you see, there's those three wires I'm trying to zoom in on. Sorry for the sideways angle, but we've got the yellow, red, and black. Those are covered up by a yellow heat shrink on the new pad. It's a little bit stiffer, a little more difficult to install, but it adds some protection to the wires in there. So here's where we failed. This is actually the foot pad separating. You can kind of see some of the sensor material. It's kind of dirty and gross in there, and I don't think there's any chance of repairing it. And then just for perspective, I'm going to peel back some of the grip tape, which sits on top of the pad. So if you're going to replace your grip tape, obviously make sure you just peel that part off and not the whole pad. So once we got the new pad installed, here's what it looks like. Looking pretty nice, pretty awesome. Means I need to upgrade the rest of the board to match that clean look. So we're going to turn it on, make sure it works. Got some lights, so we're good to go. That means it's fixed. So like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell if you want, but One Empire signing off. Thanks for watching.